Okay, good news. We finally found Daniel.
Excellent. Yeah, just bring him in.
Yeah, sure. Join his right back. Boss, is he okay?
He'll be fine. Just, you know.
Okay. Jesus. God damn. Boss, are you sure this is OH&S certified?
Oh, you're right. I should be doing this with my knees. Back down. Let's just do the dice.
Okay, whatever you say, boss.
You guys wanted me to go and find Daniel, and I did that. We got Daniel back. You can't say I'm a bad boss. Man, that was killer. Can you do the unboxing?
Sure, I can do that. So today is the 23rd. Let's see what we got today.
Ooh. It's a 12 Days of Christmas D12. If Daniel was still on shift, he'd say that's marshmallow flavored. On shift. Looks like there's meant to be mistletoe?
Little pieces of holly. That counts as mistletoe, does it?
Okay. I think I better call HR about this. Workplace safe. Well, Merry Dicemas, y'all. We will see you for one more day of Dicemas tomorrow.